Well, it's great to have so many of you on board with AeroView this weekend. We had a magnificent weekend here. The weather just cleared both days, just in the nick of time, right at the end of the morning, and we enjoyed full air displays all along. It was absolutely terrific. One of the better red arrows in many ways, although I've seen them a zillion times myself. When the skies cleared to complete blue, getting in a full display was superb, helping to celebrate their 60th anniversary as well. But a real cross-section of different aircraft. Lovely to get a couple of good warbirds in on Sunday this afternoon, which was just terrific as well, with a visit of the Rolls-Royce Mark 19 and Trevor Dugan bringing that very historic and valuable Mark 1 Hurricane as well. But the home team, Team Raven, magnificently performing. They're very much the go-to formation civilian team at the moment. Incredibly busy guys all around Europe doing a great job flying the flag after, sadly, the hanging up and retirement of a couple of other display teams. But as always, the Typhoon really stealing the thunder here as we close the show on Sunday after what's been a really successful Wales Airshow, and combined with, of course, the National Armed Forces Day as well. So hope to see you around the bazaars later on in the season. Wherever you happen to be, tune into AeroView.tv and enjoy the rest of the air displays this year. Many thanks to see you again. Bye-bye.
Ready, go.